Welcome to day 26 of our 101 Days of Data Science journey. We're making great progress, and today we're diving into a really exciting and important step in the data science process: Exploratory Data Analysis, or EDA for short. Before we build models or make predictions, we need to understand the data we're working with. EDA is all about exploring our dataset to uncover patterns, spot outliers, and really get a feel for what we have in front of us. Exploratory data analysis helps us look beyond raw numbers. It gives us a chance to clean the data, find missing values, and start asking the right questions before jumping into the technical stuff. Let's start with a simple example in Python. Here, we've loaded a dataset using pandas. The info function gives us a quick overview of the columns, data types, and non-null values. Checking for missing data is super important, and the isNull function helps us catch any gaps we might need to fill. Then, with describe function, we get summary statistics like the mean, median, and standard deviation to get a sense of the data's distribution. Once we've cleaned the data, it's time to look for patterns or outliers. Basically, anything unusual that stands out from the normal flow of data. Let's visualize some of the data using Python to make this process easier. We're using Seaborn and Matplotlib to visualize the data. The first plot shows the distribution of a numerical column using a histogram, which helps us see the shape of the data and whether it's normally distributed or skewed. The second plot is a scatter plot that helps identify any outliers or unusual relationships between two variables. Visualizing data in this way allows us to quickly spot trends and anomalies that might require further investigation. EDA is the foundation of good data analysis. It helps us make sense of the data, detect issues early, and sets the stage for deeper analysis. By now, you should feel comfortable exploring datasets on your own and pulling out key insights. Tomorrow, we're zooming in a little more with univariate analysis. We'll focus on understanding individual variables in your dataset. Stay tuned for day 27.